This is a sign up and login page for Sustainable Ecosystems, the app. Here, you can sign up if you're new to the app or log in if you already have an account. When you log in or sign up, you are taken to the home screen. Once you press start, the game begins. This is Mission 3, one of 4 missions. In each mission, you are introduced to a new guide. Mission 3's guide is Drew the Deer. In this mission, you will learn about the effects of an unsustainable ecosystem. Using knowledge from a survey we sent out, we were able to construct our lessons in a way that was most applicable to the average person's daily life. Each mission is then wrapped up with a quick quiz. There are 4 missions similar to this. This is the source code. We used DALL-E 2, an AI graphics generator, to generate all of the graphics, and Thinkable App Inventor to code our app. An important part of coding that we did was the quizzes, and how the player must click on the quiz first before the button to continue pops up. It was also important that we made sure the transitions between the slides were coded so that they were smooth and easy to follow. The login and sign up page doesn't quite work yet, but our team is looking forward to hopefully fixing it up in the future and adding more missions. We wanted to say thank you again to the Technovation Girls organization, and particularly Technovation Girls Montreal, for providing us with this amazing experience.